How to activate Citibank credit card online. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you how you can activate your Citibank credit card online easily. Now the process is actually quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through. Simply head into your browser on any of your device, and then what you want to do is search in for Citibank credit card activation. Once you do so, as you can see, I've done so, and here you'll get the link. You can see citi.com, activate your card. All you want to do is you want to simply tap on the link provided there. Once you tap on here, card activation, it'll take you to the card activation page. You can see Citibank and you can see activate your card. Now it says activating your card is easy. Fill in the information below to get started. All you have to do is you want to tap on the card number option and you want to fill in your details, your card number detail, and you want to tap on continue. And once you do so, it'll ask you for other details that you want to submit it. You want to submit and you want to make sure that the details that you submit are correct, and once you do so, you'll be able to activate your Citibank credit card. So this way you can activate your Citibank credit card online. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.